Welcome to the
जाते हैं ख्वाब वालों को आड़ते हैं जिंदगी सवर ले ऊंची ऊंची उड़ाने मुस्काने उस मीठे पल का भरोसा तू कर ले जिंदगी में कुछ बनो है टेक्नो
Techno College of Engineering, Agartala.
ख्वाब वालों को आड़ते हैं जिंदगी सवर ले ऊंची ऊंची उड़ाने मुस्काने उस मीठे पल का भरोसा तू कर ले जिंदगी में कुछ बनो है टेक्नो
Techno College of Engineering, Agartala.
पंख मिल जाते हैं ख्वाब वालों को आड़ते हैं जिंदगी सवर ले ऊंची ऊंची उड़ाने मुस्काने उस मीठे पल का भरोसा तू कर ले जिंदगी में कुछ बनो है टेक्नो
Techno College of Engineering, Agartala.
पंख मिल जाते हैं ख्वाब वालों को आड़ते हैं जिंदगी सवर ले ऊंची ऊंची उड़ाने मुस्काने उस मीठे पल का भरोसा तू कर ले जिंदगी में कुछ बनो है टेक्नो
Techno College of Engineering, Agartala.
पंख मिल जाते हैं ख्वाब वालों को, आड़ टेढ़े जिंदगी सवर ले, ऊंची ऊंची उड़ाने मुस्काने, उस मीठे पल का भरोसा तू कर ले। जिंदगी में कुछ बनो है टेक्नो।
Techno College of Engineering, Agartala.
पंख मिल जाते हैं ख्वाब वालों को, आड़ टेढ़े जिंदगी सवर ले, ऊंची ऊंची उड़ाने मुस्काने, उस मीठे पल का भरोसा तू कर ले। जिंदगी में कुछ बनो है टेक्नो।
Techno College of Engineering, Agartala.
पंख मिल जाते हैं ख्वाब वालों को, आड़ टेढ़े जिंदगी सवर ले, ऊंची ऊंची उड़ाने मुस्काने, उस मीठे पल का भरोसा तू कर ले। जिंदगी में कुछ बनो है टेक्नो।
Techno College of Engineering, Agartala.
पंख मिल जाते हैं ख्वाब वालों को, आड़ टेढ़े जिंदगी सवर ले, ऊंची ऊंची उड़ाने मुस्काने, उस मीठे पल का भरोसा तू कर ले। जिंदगी में कुछ बनो है टेक्नो।
Techno College of Engineering, Agartala.
पंख मिल जाते हैं ख्वाब वालों को, आड़ टेढ़े जिंदगी सवर ले, ऊंची ऊंची उड़ाने मुस्काने, उस मीठे पल का भरोसा तू कर ले। जिंदगी में कुछ बनो है टेक्नो।
Techno College of Engineering, Agartala.
Techno College of Engineering, Agartala. We have started our journey in the year 2014.
Animum Unga Anes Dabarma Angbosim Techno College of Engineering Poriu last year mechanical engineer nai.
The courses we offer, there are different courses. Like if you look into the courses, then there are some AI based courses: civil, electrical, mechanical, electronics.
placement dabok kahan phayo sin dabok or this jani highest pay sin kha 6.5 lakh dabok sini part ke sao sim branch no masa pal mang kha obade bo kungma robotics hote sales no hote kan ki kungma branch to ki jo jada po perfect ma ya kon boro tam khai kungma placement tu jo jaga boro jamu chong ke sejo thana mu chong ke sales company phayo.
So when we run the organization, we are giving importance on placement, quality education, and perfect faculty pool.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today we have a very special guest with us, Dr. Dibakar Dev, the principal of the Techno College of Engineering, Agartala. So we will be discussing about various aspects of the college, including its AI and machine learning and their influences in the new era, including the infrastructure and the impressive placement record of this college. So welcome, Dr. Dev.
Thank you. You are coming here. We are very glad that we are discussing about different topics regarding Techno College of Engineering, Agartala. And I think if you have any question, different type of from different corners, I will give you the accurate answer and everything, whatever you want to know.
Yeah, so let's start with an overview of the college. Can you please tell us a bit about the institution, sir?
Thank you. Actually, Techno College of Engineering, Agartala, we have started our journey in the year 2014. During 2014, we have started our college with 5 BTech program. They are generally civil, electrical, mechanical, electronics, and importantly, computer science. So, with respect to time, we have think we need to increase everything. So we have increased our courses also. And this year we have started AI based most of the course. And another important aspect is that when we start our college, we are thinking how to grow the college, how to give the facility, all around facility of the we like to provide to our students, so that they can be a very perfect engineer in future, and they are suitable for the industry. Then we have started our college. We have excellent lab facility. We have air conditioned classroom. We have different computer labs like cyber security lab and AI lab and other different tools which are used for computer science, artificial intelligence, data science, and cyber security. Everywhere we are trying to grow the college facility, and these facility students will enjoy very much. And another thing, we have started a mentor-mentee group to care the student individually, because the students are coming for different corner of the state mostly, and they have some language problem also. Some students are coming from Bengali medium, some from other medium also. Their mother tongues are different, but we are running our course as per direction of Tripura University, because the college is approved by AICT and Department of Higher Education, and overall the degree provided by the Central University, Tripura University. So it is very important that they may be habituated with English, because all the syllabus and everything, the medium is English. So we give importance on learning English. And not only here, when after completing the degree, when they move from Tripura to outside for their career, then they need to adopt English also. Everywhere it is very important.
Yes, sir, that's wonderful. We have seen the Techno College has provided and emphasizing on AI mostly and machine learning influences
Yes.
and all. So, other than that, what are the courses that Techno College offers and what their importance?
We have different courses. Among the different courses, we have a degree and diploma. Actually, we are not providing the degree. The Tripura University are giving the degree to the students. We are providing only the platform where students will learn and earn their degree. This is very important. That's why we are following the syllabus of Tripura University also. And the courses we offer, there are different courses. Like if you look into the courses, then there are some AI based courses, civil, electrical, mechanical, electronics, for both BTech and diploma. We have computer science and engineering. We have AIDS, artificial intelligence and data science. This is a very important course for BTech students, because the industry is implementing the AI everywhere. Without AI, we can't believe to work. Suppose Google's every morning, what we look first, when we open the mobile, then we see the application of AI. So AI is very important. That's why we have collaborate with Google Cloud, and they will give us training for our students as well as faculty members also, so that the development of AI which are going on in the universe or in our country, in the whole world, their limits should be same. Every student have right to know the AI, those who are studying here. So we think this is the right of the student, that we need to teach them with the help of AI and the application of AI also. So AI is very important in this current era.
Yes, sir. It's very great to see such forward-thinking approach. So, can you please tell us more about the infrastructure of the Techno College of Engineering here in Agartala?
If you look, when you're moving on the route, then you see students are moving through buses. So bus is compulsory here, because all the students are coming from different part, and since bus is available, they will come by bus regularly, and they can maintain the attendance also. We have different labs: civil, mechanical, electrical, and computer science. If we look, we have cyber security lab. We have computer labs. Those are equipped with GPU. We have around 50 computers equipped with GPU for high performance. Basically, the softwares, heavyweight softwares, they can use there, and they are specially made for handling the AI, data science. Basically, the subjects which are very important in this movement. We have different civil lab, computer lab, and if you look around, if you look into the syllabus, we have all the lab facility. Actually, Tripura University, we follow the syllabus. We are bound to follow the syllabus because they are giving us the degree for the students. So we always look into the syllabus, and as per syllabus, we have all the labs. You can go to our different labs, and you can see the advanced labs are there.
Yeah, that's impressive. So how does this infrastructure contributes to your college to make the placement records?
So when we run the organization, we are giving importance on placement, quality education, and perfect faculty pool. This is most important because they are the driving force. They will help the students to grow. If their quality is high, then we can produce the quality student. Because in our lab, we have heavy machines, we have heavy software, they need to handle. So we have recruited the faculty members from IIT, NIT, and other institutes, so that they have the quality to maintain the syllabus and to give the perfect teaching to the students. This is most important.
Yeah, so before we wrap up, is there anything else that you would like to share about the Techno College of Engineering here in Agartala?
One thing, the students who are going outside from Tripura, they need to come here and look into that. We are giving all the facilities. Those who have passed class 12 and Madhyamik, they can take these facilities from here. No need to go outside. We have collaboration with different IIT like IIT Kharagpur, Triple IIT Hyderabad, and so many reputed organization, NIT. We have already just we have signed a MOU with ISRO that here there will be a e-learning platform, and this is a nodal center. The students from different schools, colleges, those who like to join the e-learning of ISRO, they can register their course from here also. Recently, drone is very important currently. So we have collaborated with India's one of the largest drone manufacturer company, Garuda Aerospace Private Limited. And recently, our respected Prime Minister distributed more than 1,000 drones to the Kishans. And the company, they supplied these drones and they agreed to set up an industry here where drone will be manufactured. They will give the training to our students, and the students from different schools, different college, different university, they can come here and take the training also. They will help us also for placement. So if you look into placement, our students, those who are outgoing, almost 70% students are placed, like Deloitte, IBM, different companies, they are working. So I think it is a good opportunity for the students of Tripura. They can come and join here and take all the facilities. So we would like to welcome the students, those who like to join here. Not only join, they can come here, they can watch the facilities what we are providing. They can meet with our faculty members and they can discuss different matters for their advancement of career. Okay, thank you.
Well, thank you so much, sir, for sharing your insights about the college and the university. So yeah, that concludes our interview today. So stay tuned for more updates only on Chini Khorang. So hello there, hi jotono lamsogo. Tabuk chung oro Techno College of Engineering Agartala chung oro faisok pajak tai ani logyo o college ni ingui no haino khorong ni bela ni brilliant student chung bong no mankha chung bong ni khuktai o college ni bumthai facilities bumthai study sok man thok bumthai courses sok tong abrok chung bong thani khana laine nge poilano ang tini chini oro ni khorong ni bela ni brilliant student chung bong ni shinmung nai len sekang.
Ani bumungkai chung tiriang angkai Techno College of Engineering Agartala oporiwo ani ang branch puri tongma khai electrical and computer engineering opori tongo dau final year 8th semester ro hambai
Ngeseng tang tai khoroksan yang busing sini mung nai lene
pulau sari kan joto no ane mong engka anes dabarma ang bo same Techno College of Engineering poriu last year ro mechanical engineer nai hambai
nge phadi chung tabuk sing sengmu bhag thang lene au college ni ba or ni tam facilities tong tam department of bumthai lab rok tong abrok sing bong thang saiman lene nge chung poila no saiman lai nai college ni lab facilities rok no tei nai phadi kinin khok ti sang khani le
oro lab facilities rok balai no kaham chini ringnok chini o college o labs joto department lab no tongo enkhate computer stay software rok bo up to date no tongo ngai jengno jeng je somoyo jeng left ni bagai kuno problem angi tongkha jeng bujia ro angi tongkha jeng te saimia ro angi tongkha han kai bo chini guide tongo chini lab jengno guide khaine bor no thangkan ke jeng chuba mung manu
okay jeng tabuk tai khorsan yang te khana ne lena lab computer lab ba joto lab facilities no kari bahai no o college ni ingane or ni infrastructure rok bahai abo jeng tabuk thakung yang te khana lena
au chin dao je college omoto kata chengmani funo college hote je bora busuk bon trial levels khai tong je suno facilities ri jemon ge tabuk je software khai is fully updated tongo tebo tong je sin lab tong kengma department ni kengma lab alda ke ka ham ke na thuja ke samjak tebo sing kun doubt ke sin teacher bo tong bo onek professional experience singjak they bob onek kaham gonna sunon guide khayu je kun jaga sung buji mai hanke ambai
ngecheng tai kaisa cheng tabuk faculty college ni faculty hai ke ba teachers professors ni bong ni bahani bum tai phurung thani bum tai rok sang khan ele na tabuk teacher ni ba or ni staff ba faculties joto je tongmani be it hindi teaching line ho ni ba staff je kun working line bahai borong ni perengmani rok bum hai tai student no bahai guide khai abor ke sai khna
Aw chini pharangnai professors rok bo industry experience inke aboni bagai chungno borok kaham te bo experience ganang bla ambagai chungno te bo borok seminar rok guide khayo chung te bo industry rogo chung internship rok khaina ni bagai borok chungno guide khayo te bo chung expert angna bagai te bo chung chini future ni bagai kaham chung facilities rok manna bagai borok chungno guide khayo
ngai chung tai correction bo opinion nai ne lena or jaga ni teacher sok ni perengmani bum hai
एमए टीचर अनेक कहम नो बाय द बाय बोरक जे क्लास खायमानी वाइसे विशिंगे बोरक तम खाय क्लास से मादे बोरक फील्ड विजिट खायरु जेमन के जेमन ट्रिबर्सनस मुन जे कोनो जागा कोनो ट्रेनिंग तंगे बोक तालांगो तेबो काम फोरोंमा तंगो तेबो काम जे कोनो तेबो एडवांस ना बगे सुनो तेबो सिनि परा बादे बो जे प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ संग जे काम खायमान अमबो सुनो फुनगो अम बादे बो स्पोर्ट्स रक दं स्पोर्ट्स बो संग बो ताबो सिनि कॉलेज स्पोर्ट्स बो अनेक इम्पोर्टेंस दं कारण कि जतन कायसा बो परिमा साइड टू साइड दको थंगमा बो दंगो मा थंगो गन बागे संग मा कॉम्पिटिशन संग पार्टिसिपेट खायो एस ए कॉलेज इनके हागन कायसा दाल बितलै दं दसन
के जों ताइ kai sung wak thang laina जों khane mangka lab rong ni tei infrastructure tei ne tai faculty sung kok khana ga tau phadi जों tai kaise kok sung saiman laina abong gangkai oro faculty sok kaham ni yakulo bo जों tai kaise kok khae nga khu to mo beleng kha ang question boi thaka nu nuklia kan hai le okay जों faculty song ni kok khana man yaklo tai जों lab ta ba extra curricular ni ko khana ka ke phadi जों ta bo oro jaga ni o college ni ngoi nai quality of education bum hai feel khai por abo जों saiman layan
oro जों no borok onek no journey kaham ro transformative journey like dal bidal opportunities te dal bidal growth chini serengma ni ote bo growth ni bagai chungno onek help khayo like chung friends nam thani bo te chung sana thangkan ke all 4 years ni journey oborok chungno opportunities ro like campusing rok ngo kabang ma companies rok phayo companies rok by all college borok tied up angjak te chung like future ni bagai the better hope better scope ni bagai borok chungno onek no help khayo jate chung like jobless pora pai khan ke bitek pai khan ke jobless ngai tongna ni means jongno somoy jorariya jong final semester angna sakang no borok jongno kabangma companies ro kaham companies ro no jongno campusing khai ne jongno opportunities ru te jongno opportunities thana sakang bo borok jongno interviews ro khainan bagai borok jongno guide khayo te kabangma no borok phoronggo jongno bahai ke interviews ro granai bahai ke chung om thai company o thang ka han ke bahai kaham angnai kaham angya borok jotna no chungno pharangai ru ka
gai amun yaklo chung tai kaise kok saiman le tabuk chung yang bin khok deu khana ka bong ni 4 years journey painan bakhang thangi tongo bong ni last semester ba last final year oba keno ang bin khok deu khana namu chung nai of 4 years journey to painan bakhang thangi tongo ke nong ni ji college life of 4 years ni bisingo bum hai overall experience ke sai khana si
वो तो कॉलेज लाइफ हो जस्ट लाइक वंस इन लाइफ टाइम सी एक बार फायो ते जीवन ते एक बार फाया ये संग आंगा सके एक्सपीरियंस है क्या लाइफ हो दुख हो तो खुशी हो तो जोतन तो पुनो संग मिले जुले वाले मा तो वैसे जो टीचर बे क्षमा वाला यो डॉलर बे किसे असाइनमेंट हो उनके किसे कोरो बांग्ला यो पुनो हागे मिले आ कोई आज 4 years तो का 4 years तो तो बुझिया ओ जे 4 years पाइते ऑफर बुझो इ ओ दिनो असक नाइथकमा सालो असक संचाय बस असक इंजीनियरिंग ति परीक्षा पुनो अब बस संगासे फैमिली हागे तो अनेक खा तो कि निजने एक्सपीरियंस ताबु तेबो लुकुरो न संग आं एक्सप्रेस खायमा तो
gai phadi chung paithang bakhang thangi tongo tamko chung tai kise kok sungina laina belanya nangmani no omono chung tabuk joto engineering college chung no go angkai tabuk to courses sok to painu tongka ga omon bisingo bahaino college ni theka placement rok no tuinai bum hai noro kuno jangjalok da phai ba placement rok no tuinai company sok bai bum thai facilities bum thai company approach khai om thai jago
oro chung joto department no tongo emne sana thang kan kai oro five above five no branch tongo like civil noge civil and computer electrical and computer amte branch tongo an kete CSC electronics te mechanical inte EMEA ne tongo advanced mechatronics in kai sanathang kange jodo department in core branch ni no amne campusing rok ungu amoni bade te IT sector ni hoite bo company rock phayo campusing ungu in kai amoni amo ungna bagai thana sakang jengno kabangma workshop ro khaireza go jengno practice ro khaireza go te jeng bahai ke face khainai or situation ro jeng jate problem ung yate like interviews ro mana thangna puro achungna bagai jeng personal interview ro onek no tongo jete jeng mane kaham ke face khaiman nati thai ke jengno phrangu anke kabang man campusing rok ngo like kotor no hanmano campusing rok phayo je better opportunities jengno ru
okay sing paithak yang bin khokdep khanlaina company facilities tai placement dong tai ke saikna
placement to tabo kahan phayo sin tabo or this jani highest pay sin kha 6.5 lakh tabo sini part ke sao sim branch no masa pal mang kha obade bo kungma robotics hote sales ne hote karon ke kungma branch to ki jo jada bo perfect maya phone boro tam khai kungma placement tu jo jaga boro jara mu song ke sejo thana mu song ke sales company phayo ge jara kya mechanical thana mu song kya manufacturing type ba designing tal bidal kungma company phai boro best of best student choose khayo as haya ki maya kungma boro tabu achievement bon kha tabok te o mass pai thago kungma boro join em khai tong boro of letter ko nak khaija
aw kitchen khanaiman ka khorang ni orni belanya monganang students ok sing kok salakya oba kina sing o Techno College of Engineering Agartala ni sing nugui man ka facilities kaham nugo lab ni hindi studies ni classroom ni hin sing or advanced technology sing nu bunuka sing principal bai salai pur bahai ni AI ni sing kok khana ka machine learning rong ni bosing kok khana ka oba kina sing belanya hambai maro chini khorang ni orni student rong na tamke ang wish khayo nok no nong ni future endeavors ni bagai kaham nong thang ni hambai
Techno College of Engineering Agartala, we have started our journey in the year 2014.
ane mong ngka anes dabarma ang bosim Techno College of Engineering poriu last year mechanical engineer nai
The courses we offer, there are different courses. Like if you look into the courses, then there are some AI-based courses: civil, electrical, mechanical, electronics.
placement to tabo kahan phayo sin tabo or this jani highest pay sin kha 6.5 lakh tabo sini part ke sao sim branch no masa pal mang kha obade bo kungma robotics hote sales ne hote karon ke kungma branch to ki jo jada bo perfect maya phone boro tam khai kungma placement tu jo jaga boro jamu chong ke seto thanamu chong ke shares in company phayo.
So when we run the organization, we are giving importance on placement, quality education, and perfect faculty pool.
Future begins here. ICFI University Tripura. Dream big.